everyone, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning motivational video. So I had spilled some soya sauce, and I literally said, "Mana clean that," closed the fridge and walked away. A few days later, I had spilled blueberry. So a week goes by, and here we are cleaning the fridge and the freezer. Let me know in the comments below how often you clean your fridge. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My channel is about cleaning, positive lifestyle, and DIYs. If you like these kinds of videos, please hit the like button and subscribe. My videos are also to help people get around task avoidance. James and I don't really eat out as much as we used to. We cook at home, so we always have lots of dishes. We don't mind. We do cook great food and always try new recipes. It is funny how I love to cook, but when I go home to Jamaica, I never cook. The aunties always cook for us. When I'm with my dad, my auntie Maggie does all the cooking. I feel like when I'm at home, my mind goes back to being a child. It's weird and very hard to explain. Not only that, the aunties cooking, it's on a different level. In every Jamaican household, there's always a lot of seasonings. A few items that goes in every meal are onion, scallion, which is green onion, thyme, garlic, pimento, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Every time that James and I go home, the aunties always gives us seasoning to take back. this moment, I think my soul left my body. If I had broken this, like, where would I get a new glass? Or do I need to buy a new fridge altogether? Has this ever happened to you? And what did you do to fix it? Every time I clean the fridge, I feel like time is against me. I feel like the longer I leave things out the fridge, the faster that it will go bad. I love wearing gloves when I clean. I didn't before, but I made myself used to it because of all the chemicals I use. Do you guys clean with gloves? Let me know, I'm curious. Very rare we throw things out. Remember, this is a no wasties house. Me cleaning the fridge is a great way for me to see what has gone bad, and I can also move the items from the back of the fridge to the front and vice versa. In this freezer, we store smoothies, berries, and bread. Do you guys freeze your bread? Aunt Rainey had given us a bigger freezer. We did not have room in our last place, so she stored it for years. I love her. When I do a food haul, I will show you guys what we keep in the big freezer and how we organize it. When we cook, we always cook a little bit more so we can have some frozen cooked food in the freezer. It is a great way for when we're busy and we just don't feel like cooking. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed my video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Catch you later.